Welcome. Are you looking to unhide a chat on the Messenger app for PC? If you've recently archived a conversation and want to bring it back into your main chat list, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you through the quick and easy steps to unarchive a chat following the new update. Let's dive right in. First things first. Make sure you open the Messenger app on your PC. You can find it either by clicking on your desktop icon, or if you don't have a shortcut, you can search for it in your applications. Once you have the app open, you'll be greeted with your chat list. Now, look to the left side of your screen. You should see a menu with various options. And here, you will want to click on the Archive Chat icon. This icon typically looks like a small box or a folder tucked away, easy to miss, but it's exactly what we need. When you click on it, you will be taken to all the chats that you've archived. Next, it's time to find the chat you wish to unarchive. This might typically include conversations you've tucked away for a reason, whether it's to declutter your chat list or simply to keep things organized. Scroll through the list or use the search feature to quickly locate the chat you want to bring back. Once you've found the chat, hover over it, and you should see 3 dots appear on the right side of the chat bubble. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear, and among the options, you will see the choice to unarchive. Click on that, and just like that, your chat will be restored to your main chat list. And there you have it. In just 4 simple steps, you've successfully unhid a chat on the Messenger app for PC. We all have chats we need to keep track of, and knowing how to manage archived conversations can help keep your digital life organized.